Hello there, welcome to episode 114 of The Daily Shed, and today I'm going to show you something pretty unusual. Muting the strings is a standard guitar technique, but it's hard to do it while really doing a full strum. And what I've done, and this feature is a new release of mine called the Monsoon Replied, is to mute the strings. Basically with your elbow, I kind of put the point of my elbow right on the bridge, and I'm kind of muting with my forearm up to my elbow like that. And then strumming down here like this. So whenever strum a whole chord like this, you can get kind of a muted sound out of it depending exactly where your forearm is. In the introduction of this particular song, I just play in the bottom couple strings. And even though I am a fingerstyle guitarist, I basically strum using my index finger or my middle finger. But this is useful if you play pick, or if you do fingerstyle and just want to use your thumb. So again, I just put the point of my elbow kind of on the bridge, and just let my forearm touch. And the introduction of this particular song is like this. So I wanted to really separate it from the verse part, which is full strumming. So I put my elbow, mute with my forearm a little bit, and I'm throwing in a little smack in between, so it goes like this. Hey David, hey Sharon, welcome. So just like that. And then I'm using some flamenco kind of up and down, using my middle finger down, thumb down, and then middle finger up. Like that. But the heart of it is this mute, this elbow mute, like this. It can be really effective, and I find it can be really flexible because you can really mute it way down. Almost stop it completely, even if you're doing a full chord. Like that. Or just mute it very slightly. Just kind of stop the ringing a little bit. And this particular song, again, the introduction is like this. Compared with how it is with lifting it and muting it. It's a lot of fun and really is sort of a unusual color, something that I stumbled on while trying to come up with a way to mute while strumming in the beginning. So I hope this is useful to you. So always let me know any questions you might have, and thanks so much for watching.